Alright, well, it's been a while since you've seen the bulldozer, and I just got done mounting a Simplicity rototiller to it. This was kind of the biggest pain in my butt I've ever done. As you can tell, there's a top link there, top link there. That was going to be my lift. I was going to go off of there. That didn't work. Then I was like, oh, I'll drill holes and use these there, but that didn't work. So, but I got it. Now I got to get this pulley off. But I wasn't able to do all this without that little guy. It's one of the Harbor Freight 80 amp inverter arc welders, which you can TIG weld with because it's a DC arc welder. It is so different than using that, which is AC. So this only goes up to 80 amps, but whatever. And it says use 16 or 3/32 rod, which I can get my phone to focus. There you go. But I'm using 1/8 inch, and it welds beautifully. Show you some of the welds. There we go. I did some crappy welds, but like over there, that's good. So, but I'll quick show you. This phone is crazy. There we go. Because originally, when I tried to use these here, this whole thing tried to go like that. And then I realized the top link, like you can see, the hole's way behind there. And I'll walk over real quick and show you one of my dad's rototiller. If you look, top link and the pins are in line. So that was a duh moment, and so I was like, oh, I'll just extend this, but then I was like, no, wait, I can just weld it to there. And originally these were, this one was over here, this one was over there, because like I said, I was going to try and use that bolt hole, but that didn't work. This is like my 5th try, and I actually got it. And this little guy right here, move it, you can see, bloop, that's keeping it from pivoting, because there's a pivot arm right there. But I don't want to solid mount this, so I figured, what the hell, just make, I was thinking about doing a chain from here to there. Let me tip this back up to do it, but for right now that works. I figured do a little chain or something, then I can angle it a little bit. So, but I'll show you real quick. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but she goes up and down. And you look on the ground right here, I actually have, by just spinning that, it'll dig up the ground. So next project to go with this is powering it, which if I stand behind it, I don't know how well you can see, I can't zoom in, but dead center, well, the pulley's offset a little bit, but you can kind of see the pulleys inside the bulldozer. I can line it up perfectly to run off of that jack shaft. And as you can tell, there's a little room right here, which I could flop this pulley so the keyway, or the set screws on this side, and then I could put a pulley in here to run all the way back to the rototiller. So that's gonna be my next project, but I gotta get, I don't want to cut this stuff off yet because I might be able to use these for the idler pulleys and stuff like that. Then I gotta figure out how I'm gonna power, like have this go. Because I was thinking originally just when it's in the down position, it'll get power, like it'll make the belt tight so it'll spin. But then I'm gonna have to put a spring or something so when it goes a little deeper, it'll stay powered. And the other thing is, I'm gonna take a piece of chain and go from this hole, make this hole a little bigger, or drill another hole or something, to like up front somewhere. Like I could use this hole, or I'll drill another hole if I have to keep this from going too deep, which I should have done when I first built my 3-point hitch, because even using like one of the ripper teeth or whatever, it's like if something happens, it'll go from this to flopped over, and like it'll end up upside down or whatever, and it's just a pain in the ass. So alright, well, next video, or I'll extend this one, don't know yet, it will be getting power to this. And unfortunately I can't really test, like I might be able to test it out a little bit, but show you that sprocket is trashed. You can't really see, but there's actually a couple teeth missing, so I gotta get another sprocket, which might be another upgrade. I might do new jack shafts for these big pulleys out here, out there, which it'll be one size keywayed, and then they sell 5/8 bore keyed sprockets, 8 tooth, which that's what this is. So that might be my next project. And then another project would be to put bearings on the end of, like, going straight down like a bolt thing and straight back, because the pulleys get pulled forward. So alright, till then, see you guys later.